What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Let's get into the news. First story of the day is I have a sunburn, but that's not really the first story of the day. I can just notice right now I have a sunburn. First story of the day is about the LG G7. Now, yesterday we saw some rendered images of the new LG G7, and there was a mystery button. I said it was the power button. The power button, well, actually, I didn't even know why I didn't think about this. The power button will be where the fingerprint sensor is. It'll actually be a pushable button that powers on and off the phone and works as a fingerprint sensor as well. That mystery button that I thought was a power button will actually be, this is the rumor anyway, and it makes sense, a dedicated AI button. So basically like a Google Assistant button dedicated to that. But it looks like LG will be using it for their kind of LG AI assistant. So you're going to end up probably having probably won't be as full of an assistant as Google is, but it will probably have some, hey, do this, this, and this. Again, it won't probably do as much, but it'll do some of what Google Assistant will do, and it'll probably be a button for LG's specific assistant, which could turn out to be wonderful, could turn out to be just duplicated information that Google could probably already do. But I mean, do you guys like that, extra button for an assistant? The reason I don't like it because it kind of gets in the way. On the Samsung button, I generally almost always have a tough time finding those volume keys. I'm like, damn, is that the volume keys? And it doesn't really matter because I have Bixby deactivated, but it's just that brief, second or two for me to figure out which one is the volume button down and which one is the Bixby button. That's the kind of annoyance that comes with it. But other than that, we'll see how it turning out, if it ends up being good or bad for the user experience. And our last story of the day is about the OnePlus 6, which should be out, I would say, in the next month, maybe 2 months. I'm going about 30 days from now that it should be released. And it looks like Pete Lau, who is the CEO of OnePlus, went to the OnePlus forums and released the specs on the new OnePlus 6. And they are a Snapdragon 845, up to 8 gigabytes RAM, meaning that they're probably gonna have two versions like they've had in the past. The one that's lesser will probably have 6 gigabytes. The best one will have 8 gigabytes and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. The other one will probably have 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage. So I think whichever one you choose, the 6 gigabyte or 8 gigabyte RAM of one, it's probably going to be very similar in performance, day-to-day performance, and even just almost everything you do with the two models. So I don't think you'll go wrong on either one. But you're looking again at a really, really spec'd out phone from OnePlus this year. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. I kind of already asked you this question, but what do you think? How do you feel about that dedicated, AI assistant button on phones like Samsung already has, and it looks like LG G7 will have as well? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you down the road. Peace!